Hi guys, today I want to explain you a little about my trolling motor. I have Minkota Endura C2 trolling motor, and it is nice trolling motor, but I think I need to more powerful, maybe 50 the same trolling motor. I used this couple times in the Taha Lake in this season, and I figure out realize that I need more powerful trolling motor. It works, the boat is going, but it looks for me I need more powerful. And but it is easy. If I will sell this, I will buy more powerful and put on the same place exactly. Yes, I think it will be works great. I put this wire from this Minkota trolling motor in the same place here. Yes, and it goes under this plate, under the seats, and in that area. And after that, the wire goes under the floor of this boat to the bow, and my battery is there under the front deck. And all wires, how I told, I put under the floor. It's very good. It's very clean. But it is important thing, if you see here, there is the small, this is the hole for drainage, and this hole goes from under the floor, from the bow of the boat under the floor. And I don't use this hole for drainage. I put another holes under the seats there on the starboard side of the boat, and put wires there. I keep this drainage always clean, because if water come in this boat, it goes under the floor in this area to this my compartment with the bilge pump. And bilge pump of course start to work automatically or manual, and the water will go from the boat. If you see here, this is the main switch for this my trolling motor. I can turn on and turn off battery for this electric motor. Now it is, I think, on, and you can use this motor. It works. Yeah, it works, and it has 5 speed. Yeah, and I have extension here for this trolling motor, and it is more easily to use this when I am there on my seat. If I will put link about this small engine for description below, and if you will have some questions, please ask me, I will answer. Have a nice day.